all right. Is that cool pier with all them birds? Those are cormorants, actually. This is really cool. These are part of the Cedar Keys National Wildlife Refuge, and I'm seeing that this is a straight up Indian mound right here. I can see the shells already. This is gonna be cool. But yeah, what I want to do is check out this really cool structure right over here. Oh yeah, this is cool. Look at it. Clearly it was a foundation of something, probably attached to the pier or something, but there's this couple here who explained to me that there's a kiosk up inside this island here that explains the history of this island, so we're gonna go check that out. A lot of times when you find stuff like this, you can look at one of the bricks, and if it's got a maker's mark on it, you can identify like how old these things are by just the maker's mark on these bricks alone. But let's see what we got here. Bunch of iron. So yeah, no markings on that brick, none on that brick. So I'm gonna go lift 10,000 bricks today to just try to find a maker's mark. I want to take their advice and going inside the island here and see what that kiosk says. But no, this is just really cool. Look at that. Go see what we can get into. Oh yeah, right here. All right, got some really cool information here. Some of the wildlife that you'll see. This is some of the ecology of the area. This is the history of this particular island, and it starts from 1513 all the way down to 1998, at least when this was first published. I did some of these, but they get encased in fiberglass resin, so that the print on the inside is forever. But no, they have all kinds of stuff here. I think that this is where we're at right here, and this little spot was part of like a little shipbuilding or something. It doesn't really say exactly what this out here was, but there is a dock coming off of it, so it was part of the foundation for these great big old clipper ships and things like that. This is a huge trading hub for the Spaniards. They ruled here for like 200 years since that first date, the 1500s, and then after that the Spanish-English wars, and then after that the Spanish took over again, and then they had the Seminole Wars and all kinds of stuff going on and on. A lot of turmoil. This was prime real estate for a world power to try to control, because this peninsula, you can control the entire Caribbean from this peninsula. But this is neat. It's pretty wild. Big old pine trees. I was eyeballing all these pine trees from way over there. It says I want to get out to that island and I want to get underneath those pine trees. That's gorgeous. It smells good in here too. Big old cedars. Lots of cabbage palm plants and wild edibles everywhere. This is really cool. That young couple I was talking to earlier said that there's a graveyard on the other side of this island, so I want to check that out. An old cemetery. There's no mistaking it. Wow. Let's see how many sites they have. I see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, wow, there's a lot. Georgia F., wife of J.B. Lewis, born May 1st, 1857, died March 5th, 1884. She wasn't very old. These tombstones are very clear. you can see the inscriptions very clearly. There's a lot of them. This one is Miss Matilda Parr, born February 15th, 1833, died April 9th, 1886. That's pretty wild. Schmidt. It's actually probably more planned for this fenced-in area, but it looks like only one is one spot has been used. That's really cool. That's a beautiful piece of alabaster right there. It says Mary M., wife of Henry C. Schmidt, born February 22nd, 1845, died April 13th, 1890. A lot of these, they didn't live to be very old out here. This one says 1891, 1911. This is really wild. I don't want to linger too long though. I know I say I'm not superstitious, but I am a little bit. Let's see what's down here. Alright, well, I've reached the end of this trail here. I'm gonna head back. See about getting a hold of the guys, because I think this is something that they would probably like to see. So, yeah, that's cool. Walk out to the edge here. Oh, still can't see my boat, but no, that's definitely nice. Let's go out on this peninsula here and see if 21st and Oakley are out there. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Oh, a little blown out there. Look at that. Look at the detail. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, that is so cool. I mean, that detail is really, really fine. Wow. That's amazing. This could be English, it could be Spanish. Whatever it is, it's very, very fine. Look how thin it is. And, ooh, that's nice. I like that. Nice old bottle. This is why I don't like walking around in these places barefoot. If the oyster shells don't get you, the broken glass will. Well, I don't see them. Doesn't mean they're not out there. They could be on the other side of the island. They could have paddled further south. They could have gone over to that key over there. Or they could have headed north. But I am thirsty. I'm going to go back to the boat and get something to drink, hang out for a little bit. See if they tried to hit me up or not. Alright, look who it is. The guys just showed up. What is this? Maybe a cistern, I think. Yeah, man, you falling out, you ain't getting out. If you don't have somebody with a ladder.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah, that thing is deep. That is like, that's crazy. Holds a lot of drinking water though. Keep that thing full. The iron lid right there. Holler in it.
Hi. Get that reverb.
Yeah. That's cool.
Sticking a key stick down in there.
I was regretting not bringing my flute along. A lot more to discover on this island. If that's any indication as to what's hidden here, that's a good one. All right. Okay, that's what this is. It's a windmill. I spotted it from over there. I say that must be like a sailboat on the other side of the island. Boy, was I wrong. There's an old windmill. That's cool. Man, there is some stuff hidden out here. All right. Well, I personally am ready to shove off. Doesn't look too far to cross over to that island there. We're contemplating that idea. The guys are still somewhere on the island. I'm pretty sure that they're probably going to join me here in a few minutes. But I need something to drink, and I want to start getting ready to shove off. But yeah, that's pretty cool island. All kinds of rich history up in there.